Guys, so this is my first video actually on YouTube. I never read a video before. Like I did one time. And I kept on messing up every time. Like yeah, I wanna put my what you call it, YouTube name over there. Cause I want to try to make my video. I have no screen on it. If you see on my page right now, I have no cameras. Like I post every video on the videos and I don't see nothing on the video. Like freak man, like I don't see nothing on the YouTube videos. You know why? I know a lot of times know why. But they don't look at it. They just like crazy. Just around Jamaica, that's it is alright. But anyway, because if you guys know my videos, this is my first. Yeah, so this is my videos. You see me not all this year. I wouldn't ever, I don't know, can I share whatever? Yeah, by the way, it's like 4:54 a.m. here in Fresh Creek. So I'm a little bit tired because I haven't went to sleep. Sorry, yeah. So, yeah, um, yeah, I hope you like my videos. Bye, guys.